For a function
Yes.
for a function fx, if f minus x is equals to fx, then fx is an even function, and f minus x is equals to minus fx, then fx is an odd function.
See, we know that f minus x equals to fx, then we know that function will be even function. If in case f minus x equals to minus fx, then function is said as odd function. For this condition, we have been given a case study. So let us see that.
Again we have integral minus a to a
Minus a to a
fx dx is equals to
fx dx equals to
2 integral 0 to a
0 to a
fx dx
fx dx,
if fx is even,
right?
0
0.
if fx is odd.
We know that this property is, if the function is even, then this will become 2 times 0 to a the function, and if it is odd function it will be 0. So this is as per the properties of integral, definite integral. Yes.
On the basis of above information, answer the following questions.
Yes, first part is saying us that
fx is equals to
fx equals to
x square sin x
x square sin x.
is a.
Yes, whether it is even function or odd function. So for even or odd function, f minus x is equals to minus x to whole square sine minus x. So it will be x square sine minus theta is minus sine theta, that is x. This is minus fx. So f minus x equals to minus fx. Therefore fx is odd function. So hope you are able to understand the very first part. Next,
Integral minus pi to pi
integral minus pi to pi
fx dx
fx dx. In this case, fx will be x square sin x, and x square sin x is odd function. So for odd function, minus a to a fx dx, for odd function it is 0. So its integral will be equals to 0. Yes.
if fx is equals to
Again, if fx equals to
x sin x,
x sin x,
then integral
then integral
minus pi to pi
minus pi to pi
x sin x dx
x sin x dx.
is.
Now see, first of all we need to check whether this is even function or odd function. So f minus x will be minus x sin minus x. So both will be negative, that is fx. It means it is even function, and for even function we can write it as 2 times 0 to pi x sin x dx. It will be x sin x dx. After this, now we need to integrate it. So for integral, what we are supposed to do, we will be applying pi part. So it will be 2 times, what will be the first function? It will be x. So first function, integral of sin x dx minus integral differentiation of x will be, okay, first step I am writing everything, integral of sin x dx whole integral. So it will be limit we need to apply after all, it will be 0 to pi. So 2 times x sin x will become cos x with negative symbol minus integral x will be 1, sin x will become minus cos x dx, 0 to pi. 2 times minus x cos x, the integral of cos x is sin x from 0 to pi. Let us apply the limits. It will be 2 times minus pi cos pi plus sin pi minus 0 cos 0 plus sin 0. Let us put the values. 2 times minus pi. Cos 180 or cos pi is minus 1. Sin 180 is 0. Minus 0 into anything will be 0 and sin 0 is 0. So it will become 2 pi. Answer will be 2 pi. Now next, fourth part is
if fx is equals to
fx equals to
integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2
minus pi by 2 to pi by 2
mod sin x dx
mod sin x dx. This will be, now see, it is mod. Mod gives us always positive. Mod gives us always positive. So it will be even function. For even function it will be 2 times 0 to pi by 2 sin x, or first step mod sin x dx. Now 0 to pi by 2 sin is always positive, so mod we can remove. It will be 2 times 0 to pi by 2 sin x dx, and the integral of sin x is cos x with negative sign 0 to pi by 2. So it will be 2 times minus, I am taking outside, cos pi by 2 minus cos 0. The value of cos pi by 2 is 0 and cos 0 is 1. So it will become minus 2, 0 minus 1. That will become 2. So this answer is 2. Last part, fifth is
integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2
minus pi by 2 to pi by 2
sin to the power 7
sin to the power 7x dx. Now see, sin to the power 7 minus x can be written as sin minus x to whole power 7, that is minus sin 7x, odd function. Therefore it will be giving us integral as 0. So result will be 0. This function will be giving us integral because it is minus a to a fx dx. So as per the given condition it will be giving us integral 0. So this was one of the case study based on integral. Hope you will be able to do similar questions also.